Welcome to Pigeon Clocking System. Developed by XDev Software Solution. Visit our site at www.xdevsoft.com, or email us at info@xdevsoft.com, or contact us through mobile and telephone numbers 916-405-9671 or 046-431-8381. This screencast will show you a brief concept and an overview of methods used in pigeon racing in the Philippines. What is pigeon racing? Pigeon racing involves the flying of specially trained pigeons over long distances. Pigeon racing is a sport involving the release of specially trained racing pigeons, which then return to their homes over a carefully measured distance. The time it takes the animal to cover the specified distance is measured and the pigeon's rate of travel is calculated, and compared with all of the other pigeons in the race to determine which bird returned at the highest rate of speed. The winner of a pigeon race is the bird with the highest velocity, that is, the distance flown divided by the time taken. Races can often be won and lost in seconds, and to counter this, many different timing apparatus have been developed. The traditional timing method involves rubber rings being placed into a specially designed clock, whereas a newer development uses RFID tags to record arrival time. 3 types of timing method. First method, using a specialized analog clock. The traditional method of timing racing pigeons involves rubber rings with unique serial numbers and a specially designed pigeon racing clock. The ring is attached around the bird's leg before being sent to race. The serial number is recorded, the clock is set and sealed, and the bird carries the ring home. When the first bird returns, its trainer removes the ring and places it in a slot in the clock. The time that the ring was placed in the clock and is recorded as the official time that the competing bird arrived home. From this timestamp an average speed is measured and a winner of the race can be found. Second method, using a specialized electronic clock. Radio frequency identification RFID is an automatic identification method, relying on storing and remotely retrieving data using devices called RFID tags or transponders. An RFID tag is an object that can be applied to or incorporated into a product, animal, or person for the purpose of identification using radio waves. Some tags can be read from several meters away and beyond the line of sight of the reader. Example of electronic clock used here in the Philippines: Benzing clock, Unicon clock and others. Third method, mobile phone clocking. The mobile phone, also called a wireless phone, or cellular phone, is a short-range, portable electronic device used for mobile voice or data communication over a network of specialized base stations known as cell sites. In addition to the standard voice function of a telephone, current mobile phones may support many additional services and accessories, such as SMS for text messaging, email, packet switching for access to the Internet, gaming, Bluetooth, infrared, camera with video recorder, and MMS for sending and receiving photos and video. The process is almost the same with analog clock, but instead of putting the rubber band or sticker inside the clock, you need to input the codes into your mobile phone and send it via SMS. XDev Software Solution came up with the services. Right now we are not just limited to short message service or SMS. Clocking can be achieved via multimedia messaging service MMS and WAP 3G, Internet access via mobile phone. Let's discuss the advantages of our mobile phones. It's handy, portable, cheap and convenient, that other methods don't have. XDev Pigeon Clocking System accepts SMS and MMS from 3 telco companies in the Philippines, such as Globe, Smart and Sun Cellular Network. By using one central access number, these 3 networks are connected to a single gateway that serves as time server. The integration of such methods. Is it possible to use the electronic clock, analog clock, making it digital, and SMS clocking at the same time, and have a centralized system to gather all their datas and timestamp, so we could be able to produce one result, which is opened by a web, or simply use the current XDev Pigeon Clocking system? The answer is yes. The power is on our hands. Please sit back and relax. We'll further discuss the features and details of the new version of Pigeon clocking system.